Have you recently been in a car accident or have scrapes and dents on your vehicle that make you cringe? At Adams Collision Service, we are dedicated to offering quality collision repair for all of your vehicle's major and minor cosmetic needs. Located in Huntley, Illinois, we are proud to be one of McHenry County's best auto body repair facilities. Your car is a major investment, and at Adams Collision Service, we will protect that investment with precision repairs, superior customer service, and a lifetime warranty. We strive for complete customer satisfaction every time. Our state-of-the-art collision center and industry-certified technicians perform all aspects of collision repair as well as paintless dent repair, car rental and towing coordination, higher-level concierge service, insurance claim management, and more. We even offer 6-month financing and a lifetime warranty. To learn more about this seamless and hassle-free service at Adams Collision Service, give us a call at 847-961-5409 or visit www.adamscollisionservice.com.